Hey guys, so I've been using the AKG headphones to ship with the Galaxy S8 Plus to the Galaxy Note 8 over the past 9 months, and here's a quick review of that. The same headphones ship with both phones, and I've been using the ones that shipped with the S8 Plus during the past 9 months. I haven't opened up the pair yet on the Galaxy Note 8, so I'm going to show you guys that as an example. And just showing you guys this because really Samsung did an incredible job here in terms of unboxing the phone. Really a lot of good stuff in here. Just in my opinion, this was the best phone to unbox in 2017. So I won't go for everything, but just go ahead and show you guys the headphones real quick. If you want to check out the full unboxing, I'll put a link to that in the top right corner. So this is actually a bit different from the S8 Plus, where they give you a purple case to fit. But with the Note, you do have this little plastic baggie. Once again though, they're the exact same as the ones that ship with the S8 Plus, the ones I've been using for the past 9 months. So we do have a couple extra earbuds here, it's always good to have. Just in case the ones that they ship with don't fit in your ear. Opening up the earbud packet, I think it should be, 2 of them. So in total, you're getting 3 different size options for the earbuds. And I'm sure you're wondering why I have the iPhone X box here, but I just want to show you guys a quick look at the unboxing of this. Extremely basic, and the headphones on this are pretty terrible. So really not getting much, no extra earbuds, anything like that. And you have these same old headphones that we've always gotten over the past few years. So Samsung definitely deserves a lot of credit for giving us good earphones this year. Now these headphones were made by Samsung, but they are tuned by AKG. And Samsung did buy out the rights to AKG a couple years back. So on the left side I have last year's model that shipped with the S7 and the Note 7. And I did do a full video review on this. Now I thought they were decent, but the sound quality definitely could have been better. And also the earbuds a bit weird with the shape here. So I thought the headphones shipped with the S7 and the Note 7 were still pretty decent, but a huge improvement for this year's model. So you have the AKG branding right there. And the earbud is definitely pretty comfortable, huge improvement there. And it's still plastic, but I think still decent quality. It's not amazing, but of course guys, these are free headphones, so don't go expecting that much. Now the cable up until this point right here, it's okay, but it's a bit cheap. But the rest of the cable is braided and definitely higher quality on it. Right here you have the volume rocker, the call button. And again guys, it's not amazing quality, don't go expecting that. But personally I don't think it's a big deal, it still works. And the buttons are pretty responsive as well. At the bottom of the cable there's a 3.5mm headphone jack. And it's great to have because on the S8 Plus and Note 8 you do have a headphone jack at the bottom of the phones. So the cable compared to other cables really does not get that tangled up, one of the good things about it. Again guys, I have been using it for the past 9 months. And I'm doing my best right now to tangle it up. And just in terms of separating it, as you guys saw right there, extremely simple. It took only about a second or two. Now the quality on the mic is also pretty good, but the most important thing of course is the headphones, the earbuds themselves. And I will say that they're pretty good. Excellent highs. I think the mids are decent, they could be a bit better. The bass is also pretty good, it's not overdone. Now if you buy these directly from Samsung, they're $100. Personally guys, I don't think they're worth $100, but you can find them a lot cheaper on Amazon than that. And I would definitely recommend them for the current prices on Amazon. The only thing you need to be wary of is if those are fake listings or not. But I will say this guys, these are the best headphones for any phone to ship in 2017. I know, for example, the LG V30, those usually have pretty good headphones, but in America they did not ship with headphones. So once again, they are free. I don't think they're worth $100, but just in terms of free headphones shipped with phones, they're pretty amazing in my opinion. And in terms of Samsung's biggest rival in Apple, really no contest with the free headphones that they're shipping with theirs. Again guys, the headphones with the iPhone X are pretty much garbage. And finally, we have been using these across a lot of different phones, a lot of different laptops, and they do work pretty seamlessly across all the devices that I've used. So once again guys, don't go expecting too much. They're free headphones, but just in terms of free headphones shipped with phones, think these are the best for 2017. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe for more. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about it.